Hey, Dr. Dave here with USU Extension. Today's Tuesday 2-minute tip is all about sleep. Now, we spend about 1/3 of our lives snoozing in our beds. And so it's important, not only to have great mattress so you can get good sleep, but sleep is so important for our bodies and our brains. So now, research has shown that if you consistently get less than 6 to 7 hours of sleep, you're putting your health at risk. In fact, you're doubling your risk of cancer. You're increasing your likelihood of getting Alzheimer's disease and all kinds of other health problems and challenges when you're not getting enough sleep. And so for children, super important. Those who are 4 to 12 months old, so that first year of life, they need like 12 to 16 hours of sleep. Children, getting older, 8 to 10 hours of sleep. The children that are about 6 to 12 years old, it's about 9 to 12 hours of sleep. Teenagers, they still need about 8 hours of sleep. So if you're not getting enough sleep and your children are not, focus on that. Super, super important for us to get enough sleep throughout our day. Now, one of the things that is blocking all the sleep now today is LEDs. So 1997 LED lights were created, now especially that blue light that is in phones and iPads. And so if those are in your children's rooms, they're doing more harm than just staring at a screen and keeping them awake. They are literally, that blue light keeps us awake longer. In fact, studies show that the blue light that's emitted from those screens, the iPad screens, the cell phone screens, those screens that emit blue light, what it does, it suppresses melatonin. And melatonin is that chemical, obviously, right, that helps us feel drowsy and helps us to fall asleep, stay asleep. And so blue light, so we know what, we've heard it, don't look at the cell phones at night, but the research on this is pretty fascinating. So stay away from that at least an hour or so before bedtime. Avoid caffeine, sleep in a cool room, all those fun little tips. And I highly recommend a great book that I am reading right now called Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker. So it's a great, I'll put a little link for it, but this is fascinating. It will change the way you sleep and prioritize your sleep, because we talk about the big three of diet, exercise, and sleep, but we don't talk as much about the third little aspect in there of sleep and that trinity of health. So focus on your sleep, making sure that you're getting enough sleep, your children are getting enough sleep, and you'll be happier and healthier. So that's all for now. I'm Dr. Dave with another Tuesday tip, sharing tips to make life great.